In primetime news this evening, rescued 12-year-old girl pulled from raging Sandy Gully waters. Gridlock, rain and collapsed roadway causes traffic nightmare in the corporate area. And ganja shootout, JDF soldiers held transporting ganja remain in police custody.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the business day, sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: what are your thoughts on the proposal for the government to provide free internet access to students in low-income communities?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.